I'm Olivia Altonji, and I'm a PhD student in the nutrition department. And for 3 minutes, I'd like you to forget everything you know about fat. We're constantly bombarded with the idea that eating fat and having fat in our bodies is bad. But actually, fats, or lipids, have incredibly important roles in all parts of our body, especially in our brains. You may have heard that eating coconut oil can be helpful for people with Alzheimer's disease to maintain function. Or you may have heard that eating fatty fish and getting omega-3s can be helpful for children's brain development. But what about the pizza we just ate? So you've probably heard that the Western diet, which is exemplified by pizza and soda, or this typical fast food meal, very high in fat and sugar, can be detrimental to overall health. One reason for this is that it changes the balance of fats in the body, decreasing more health-promoting fats and increasing lipids that are maybe less health-promoting. What I would like to determine with my research is how this balance of fats is changed in the brain and how that affects the process of autophagy, which is the ability of cells to get rid of waste products. So we know that when the cell has an impaired ability to get rid of waste, it can lead to neurodegeneration or death of brain cells. For example, if you have a buildup of waste in the cells of the hippocampus, which is the part of the brain responsible for memory, when you have cell death, you result in memory loss. And this is one contributing factor for Alzheimer's disease pathology. We know that this is an incredibly important process for all neurodegenerative diseases, and it's been targeted for treatment of Parkinson's disease, ALS, and Huntington's disease as a potential therapy for removing the misfolded proteins. So we've already connected the Western diet to neurodegeneration through other pathways through research in our department. So we just heard Yushin talk about the connection with type 2 diabetes and insulin signaling. Also, our department's done some research with connecting it via inflammation. But what I want to do is find a new pathway, potentially linking the foods we eat with the health of our brains. Thank you.